Straight ahead. Good was good, guns on the block. Sweetie wanna do me when I late night, she won't even know bad man been a yo. We got enough boys in the hole. Ever since bro made back on the bricks and all the up cross. Yo, what's good, guns on the block now everyone shoot. Sweetie wanna do me when I late night, she won't even know bad man been a yo. What's good, we got enough boys in the hole. Ever since bro made back on the bricks and all the up cross.
You never have to worry about a break-in at home ever again. That is how quick and easy it is to set up a security system from SimpliSafe. It's a nice thing that's so easy to do. You can do it during breakfast or watching a game or even listening to a certain podcast. I use SimpliSafe in my home, and it's what we use here at audio.HQ. SimpliSafe is incredibly easy to customize for your home. Visit simplysafe.com/crimejunkie. You can easily choose the exact sensors you need or get help from one of their experts. It'll get to your house in about a week, which means by this time next already feels
Watch for cars,
safe.
I want
They
your
might not, and it's
poles.
worthwhile to talk about it. And SimpliSafe is a small, easy step to make sure everyone feels safe.
Everything up? No. Okay? No. You guys might want to stay. No. You guys might
I've never seen a bus do that before.
Fall of '96 is when you guys did This Is Our Youth.
You're unbelievable.
Wow,
how do you know that? How do you know that?
Because so Mark did
đi xịn nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh,
My
Jesus
God.
Christ. Wow. Man.
Swipe. Stupid, you. Stupid. You roll back any further, I will pull your head off your head. I've got you on camera. I don't give a f***. You're the one who's gone through the f***ing red light, red light? I've got a car behind. That's a witness. This one here, look. I'm still here. Look how far you are. I'm still here. Road. So why are you reversing back? You are? You just reversed back. Yeah, because I'm on the crossing. You just said you haven't gone through a red light, you know, bed. There. I'm still here. You reverse back any further and touch my car, I'll drag it out and kill you. Yeah, you're on CCTV. No, but you're the one who's gone through the red light. You're a f***ing vibe.